Hi, everybody. Bill Noble here from Token Metrics with another episode in our series, Long-Term Price Predictions. Today, drum roll, XRP. Yes, where will XRP be in 2022, 2023, 2024, and at the end of the next cycle or in the middle of the next cycle, 2026. But first, make sure you subscribe to the Token Metrics YouTube channel. Turn on alerts so you know when we're posting a new video. And of course, if the content works for you, smash that like button. Okay, let's get into XRP. Where's it going? How high can it go? Is XRP a legal regulatory play? Or can you do TA on it now to look out into the future? All right, now what we have here for XRP is the Token Metrics market cap price prediction grid. What do I mean by that? Over on the top column, we have total crypto market cap. So it ranges from 500 billion in a market where crypto is not doing well, all the way out to 10 trillion, which basically means all of the world, foreign exchange, bonds, stocks, all wind up on the blockchain and in the crypto world. Then on the left side, we have dominance for XRP. In other words, how important is XRP in the market? What kind of market cap does XRP have versus the rest of the market? Currently, XRP is 2.4% dominance, right? It's 2.4% of the overall market. I think that based on the fact that as of the recording of this video, the expectation is that XRP is going to beat the government in its lawsuit. Matter of fact, the CEO of Ripple Inc. was saying in very quiet, intimate presentations with only a few people in it, XRP was going to win the case. They could have settled, but they didn't, because settling would have hurt the crypto space. So the government is not going to beat XRP. And that is the underlying assumption behind this video. Once the veil is lifted in 2023, once this legal case goes away, I would estimate that XRP becomes more important in the market. Why? Well, because in 2022, we've already seen anything that looks like a crypto payment system, anything that's fast, anything for CBDCs, anything like this that I would call crypto plumbing is actually doing very well in a down market. So if XRP is over here, conveniently, it's on the chart at 2.4%, I would expect XRP dominance to jump, probably to 3.6%. If you go on the right-hand column and say, where are we going to be for the next cycle? If XRP is at 220, that means total crypto market cap could be at 3 trillion. So let me say that again. If total crypto market cap goes back to the high for this cycle at 3 trillion, XRP should have the regulatory overhang eliminated, and XRP could go back up to roughly its high at 220. Now, if total crypto market cap next cycle goes to 5 trillion and XRP is more important than it is now, XRP could go to 3.5. And according to our table, if XRP basically gets twice as important as it is now, which undoubtedly that's what the XRP army is looking for, at a $5 trillion market cap, which is probably conservative for the next cycle, XRP could be at $5. Now, the big number that's out there is you could say, well, if XRP is just a little bit more important than it is now, and total crypto market cap goes to 10 trillion, XRP could trade to 7. So if you're on YouTube, you have heard XRP to 3, XRP to 5. Now, I'm not sure you've heard XRP to 7, but that is a number that you can throw out there for the next cycle based on this work from tokenmetrics.com. So just a reminder, like and subscribe to the channel. And above all, make sure you hit that like button. XRP monthly. So this is a chart of XRP monthly going back to May of 2018. Now, we've got some complicated lines on this chart. Sort of horizontal lines represent what I call Fibonacci extension levels. Those are similar to Fibonacci retracement levels, but they work a little differently. So with Fibonacci retracement levels, the market will go up, it'll retrace 38 or 50%, and then it'll continue up. That mathematics, those numbers come from Fibonacci series, from Fibonacci math. With Fibonacci extension analysis, here's a move up, and what happens if that move extends itself? Instead of retracing, it's extension. Then what we use Fibonacci circle analysis, which is a very unique way of using Fibonacci math to try to talk about time. So the extension levels talk about price. Fibonacci circle levels help give us a clue about time, about when XRP will get to a certain price. The first price that we have is over here, and this will make the XRP army happy, even though this is a long-term price prediction. You know, who knows? It may wind up being right that in October of 2022, basically now, there is the theoretical possibility that XRP could make a new high and go to $2.40. Is that true? You know, does that happen? If you're watching this video 2 years from now, it will be interesting to see if XRP can start moving ahead of the removal of the regulatory overhang. Again, we said long-term price prediction, but that's a short-term twist for anybody watching the new video. So let's get to the long term. Now, in August of 2023, we're over here, okay? And we have, you know, a Fibonacci extension line intersecting the Fib circle line. In other words, we have price and time matching up, and I use the blue line as like X marks the spot. Now, what I got was August 2023 XRP at $3.80, which is interesting, right? Because if you go back over here, XRP, marginally more important than it is right now, with a $5 trillion market cap, is at 3.6%. So it's not unrealistic, right? If the regulatory overhang ends in March, for XRP to defy the bear market and hit $3.80. Now, that's going to be a tough task, but if you look at our other price prediction videos, which I would encourage you to watch, particularly the Ethereum and Polkadot price prediction videos, it is possible for the next cycle to start, say, perking up in the fall of 2023. The Bitcoin price prediction, which I'd also encourage you to watch, really talks about Bitcoin going parabolic in July of 2024. So since XRP is its own beast, right, and XRP has been suppressed by the regulatory overhang, it would not be shocking to see XRP start moving first and hit 3.8. Now, I have two other targets. One of them is in April of 2024. So that's probably in between when Ethereum starts moving and Bitcoin goes parabolic. I have XRP at 5 here where, you know, a Fibonacci extension line hits the outer limits of the Fib circle analysis, starting to really stretch our imagination. Again, XRP at 5 in 2024, is that possible? Yes, it is. In other words, if XRP is just as important as it is right now at 2.4% dominance, at a $10 trillion market cap, XRP could be at 490. If XRP is twice as important as it is right now at 4.8% dominance, XRP at a $5 trillion market cap could be at 490. So if you go back to the chart and say, all right, you know, in April 2024, if it's a $5 trillion market cap and XRP is a market leader over here, it's possible. $5 XRP is no longer hyperbole based on this analysis. If you want something approaching hyperbole, the idea of this whole series is to stretch your imagination for the next cycle and tempt you to hodl through whatever happens between 2022 and late 2023. This number leads more towards the hope side. So if you just go to the outer limit, tail end of the universe, and you look at where this Fib circle number stops and what the max upside target is for XRP, the max upside target that I have is $7.60. And I would show that based on the Fib circle analysis, which again is catchy because it gives you time. So that would give you probably near the end of the next cycle, XRP at $7.60 by February of 2026. And again, going back to the grid, $10 trillion market cap, the whole world on the blockchain. XRP, marginally more important than it is right now. The grid says 736. The TA matches what's on the grid. So let's sum it up. XRP to 2.5 is possible in the short term. 2.5 possible in the short term. 2023, after the court case ends, assuming it's in XRP's favor, $3.80. April 2024, as that cycle gets going, $5. $5 is not a joke for XRP. It's actually realistic based on our numbers. And if you want to dream the big dream out to 2026, it's $7.60. Given that XRP is trading at 50 cents at the recording of this video, it's a tempting idea to say that if you want to go to XRP University, for 4 years, when you graduate in 2026, you get $7.60, not investment advice. Folks, if this video worked for you, hit the like button. This is Bill Noble. I will see you next time.